Are you still applying on LinkedIn and hearing nothing back? If your job hunt looks like this, open app, search jobs, click apply, and hope for the best, stop right there. This isn't a strategy, it's digital gambling. The winners on LinkedIn are not just applying more, they're applying smarter. In this video, I'm sharing the LinkedIn Job Hunt Blueprint. It's a simple, step-by-step system designed to transform your profile into a recruiter magnet. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why most people fail on LinkedIn. Many think it's just a place to upload a resume and click, easy apply. Big mistake. LinkedIn is a job board, a search engine, and a credibility platform combined. Employers look at your headline, skills, about section, experience, and your overall profile's match to their search. If your profile is weak, no amount of applications will land you a job. But an optimized profile? It makes every recruiter view and application count. Now, let's fix your profile before applying. Your profile should instantly answer, "Why should someone hire you?" Start with your headline. Avoid boring lines like unemployed or open to work. Instead, craft a compelling headline using this formula: target role plus core skill plus result or specialty. For example, digital marketer, paid ads, SEO and lead gen, helping brands grow revenue. Next, your about section should be a succinct pitch. Mention who you are, what you do well, your results, and your targeted role. Now, let's enhance your experience section. Don't just list duties, highlight wins. Instead of saying, managed social media accounts, say, increased engagement by 42% in 90 days by managing social media across 3 platforms. And don't forget your skills section. Add relevant skills and seek endorsements. Consider skills assessments to demonstrate your expertise. Now, let's use features job seekers often overlook. Turn on Open to Work. This feature increases your profile visibility to recruiters. Be specific about job titles and locations. Set up job alerts to receive notifications. Timing matters. Applying late can dampen your chances. Create company-specific alerts to keep an eye on dream employers. Next, let's stop mass applying. The old way of applying to 100 jobs isn't effective. LinkedIn even limits easy apply submissions to enforce quality over quantity. Use a 3-filter test. First, do you fit at least 60 to 80% of the role? Second, can you prove your skills? Third, does this role align with your career path? If you answer no to any, skip it. Now let's talk about easy apply. Ensure your profile matches the job you're targeting. Tailor your resume to each role and align your top skills with the job description. Search smarter than everyone else. Instead of a single vague title, search multiple versions of the same role. For instance, along with Marketing Manager, search for Growth Marketing Manager or Demand Generation Manager. Engage on the platform to build trust. A dead profile can be a red flag. Comment on industry posts, share insights, and connect with recruiters to keep your profile alive. Finally, create a weekly LinkedIn job system. On Monday, update your profile. On Tuesday, refine job alerts. On Wednesday, search for new roles. On Thursday, tailor applications. On Friday, engage with the platform. Use the weekend to review progress. Remember, there's no magic button on LinkedIn for guaranteed jobs. But by optimizing your profile, targeting applications, and being active, you increase your visibility. With this method, you remove guesswork and build a structured approach. This is how you win on LinkedIn. Now, it's time to take action. Start optimizing your LinkedIn profile today and transform your job hunt experience.